Hi, Mimi the artist here. I'm going to draw an underwater scene. Simple cartoon drawing. Use my favorite type of marker, a flare. Here's a tip. Notice how you have the cover and off and you just put it down when you're going to draw? Try putting it on the back. I find it adds to the weight of the marker and it's easier to use. Maybe not for you, but I found it helps me and a lot of my students found it made a big difference in their drawing. Now I'm going to have a couple tips as I draw a silly little cartoon. First of all, see this shape right here? I use it and my students use this shape for so many things. The same shape, I'll do it going that direction and straight here for, how about some fish, the tail of a fish. There is the same shape again, same shape. I'll draw it again here. And if you could draw it here, it's a curved, stretched out line with a slight curve in it. Does make silly eyes here. If you want to add a little energy to a picture, first of all, I'm going to add bubbles. If you add a little face, adds a little energy. And these are like little batteries practically, because it looks like he's swimming faster now. Let's do something with this curve over here. Let's put the mouth in first and a fancier tail. Simple curves, simple lines. Drawing really, whoops, I went backwards on that because I was busy looking over here. So that's no big deal. Here. Now he looks like he's kind of laid back, a little fishy. Make a little bubbles. Here's a tip. If I wanted to do seaweed, wiggle, wiggle lines, and I jump over the fish, and it makes it look like the seaweed is behind the fish. If I wanted the seaweed, here I'm going to go backwards and make it look like it's curved. If I wanted the seaweed to be in front of the fish, the best thing to do is draw the seaweed first. If you're not using pencil, you can erase something, but I like to use marker because it makes me think better, because you have to think about and plan about what you're drawing and you don't daydream as much. I have my students use markers often in class, and if they put a line in that they wish they hadn't done, they go, "Oh, I made a mistake." I said, "Time to put your thinking cap on." And then think of what you're going to do with that mistake. Let's say I did a circle here and I meant to do something totally different. I'm thinking that's too small for a fish. Okay, maybe I'll make it a mouth instead. Mouth? It doesn't look like a mouth. That looks like a mouth. Maybe I'll do some other silly little shape. And before you know it, it looks like a fish swimming forward. He's going to be the silly guy. And he has tiny little fins. There, that wasn't so bad, even though I really wasn't going to do a fish going forward. He's swimming just like his little buddy. Put some ground in, because on the bottom of the ocean floor or even your aquarium, you'd have something down there. Let's see, what else can I draw in this picture? How about a treasure chest? That's always fun. Go up. It's just a box, right? So let's put a box in like that. Some side pieces of wood. And let me think here. If I'm going to go like this, it looks like the treasure chest is open. I hope I did the right line, or else I'll have to put my thinking cap on. I think so far I'm doing okay. Curve, open. Yeah, that's good enough. I'm going to put a bunch of jewels and how about a necklace? It looks like it's falling over. So I lined up part of the pearls next to that line so I didn't have to worry about it being in the way. When you're making a cartoon, you don't have to be perfect because it is just a cartoon. And let's put some curvy lines here. Before you know it, I have a nice little treasure chest. I should have put one of these things. like a key lock. There. Da, 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 da. What else can I put there? Ooh, let's see. Am I in the right mind set to do a kind of a shark? They are kind of straighter looking. But this is a baby shark, it looks like. And I'm not going to start singing that baby shark song, drive everyone bonkers. They have eyes way off to the side and whomper teeth. This one needs braces. Here we go. And they have these little liney things. There, now he looks like a shark. He's a friendly one. I'm even going to put a smile on it. See? I don't think they normally smile. When you're drawing cartoons, you can get silly in your thoughts too. And let's see, one other thing I'll put in there. Well, first of all, some more seaweed. That's a good filler if you don't know what else to draw. A starfish. Let's see, way over here. So this little guy. I'll put this drawing on my website, mimitheartist.com, and you can download it and color it in if you want. Now, see that I had other lessons I talk about these gentle little lines. Put water, see this curvy little line. If you practice your alphabet, you know how to do all these drawings already because all the letters in the alphabet have all these lines in it. So you're practicing your drawing when you're doing your ABCs. This looks empty over here. Oh, I know what I'm going to do. He's going to be floating around. You tell me what I'm drawing. You think, what is happening over here? Except I'm not sure how many legs I'm supposed to put on this. I'll tell you what it is, an octopus. Hold on. Do they have 8 or 6? Someone's yelling there. I can hear them practically. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll tuck 2 back here. And if it's wrong, it's wrong. But hopefully it's right. Just like with spiders and other bugs, I'm not sure which ones have the 6, which ones have the 8. I better grab my books and pay attention. There, he's silly looking. He doesn't care. I put little circles here for those suction cup thingies. It makes it look more interesting. He looks pretty happy. I know. Know what he's doing? He's dancing to music. There. And put like this. That's what they're all doing now. Except he doesn't know what he's doing. There, that's simple. And I'm just going to sign it, Mimi the Artist. Please subscribe to this channel and visit often. I'm going to put more and more silly lessons and whatever, artist. If I'm talking, I can't seem to spell. There we go. And I'll photocopy it and put it up online. You can download it for free. Before I finish, I like to do these borders. My students are, why do you always put these borders on your pictures? Well, I say because it's a frame and something you can color on the outside too. Otherwise, it's just a plain piece of paper. I like how it looks. You could put stripes in it or little hearts or circles, lightning bolts, anything you want. Well, there you go. Have a great day. Come back and visit often. Bye.